I'm gonna go grab something to eat real quick.
Alright.
Oh, that stroke feel good? That stroke feel good, kid? Yo, be honest with me. Tell me the truth, my nigga. Have you ever been fucked this good? No, kid. You have never been fucked this good? No, kid. Are you serious?
What the fuck?
Meanwhile.
I went back. Your parents were fucking.
What?
I'm being so dead I was cooking a monkey.
Right.
And it brought me back to when your parents were fucking in the bed. I swear to God. What the fuck?
A few moments later.
Dude, you'll never guess what the fuck happened.
What the hell happened?
I went downstairs to cook some food. I put that monkey in the microwave. I put the time in to cook it, and then I teleported to Tino's parents fucking. I swear to God.
Nah, you're capping.
Bro, just come downstairs and watch me and Tino do it.
Nah, I'm not going.
I mean, look, I don't believe the guy, personally, but you kind of have to trust it. I'm going to try. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. But I'm going to go now, alright?
Whatever.
So, you said that this just goes back on how you put the date.
Yeah, watch.
What date do you put in? June 18th. 1800.
I know you working, boy. Get back to work. I'm not playing with you, boy.
What the fuck?
Meanwhile.
What's up?
You got some explaining to do.
We saw a few. We went back to the 1800s, and yeah, it did work. We saw some things from your ancestors, and oh, and you could just.
Your ancestors are gonna pay for their sins.
Are you worried about impending doom?
I'm on the way to confess stupid motherfucker.
I get the shot on you, like it's gonna cut.
The sky. It's not a bird and it's not a plane. And it's not an egg sandwich. It's the West Band warrior. Here is mighty battle cry. La la la. Hey, watch out. It's Reggie Power time. Na 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 na. Captain Underpants. Yeah. Faster than a speeding waistband. He's busting down doors. We're wearing
I'm gonna cut that.
more powerful than boxer shorts. His name is. I'm saying.
Action.
Oh yeah, there's someone like me, James Captain.
Don't really get
Snap your fingers and he'll be right there. What the freaky fuck? Dude in his underwear. He'll drop his trousers and he'll fight to save the day.
Why is it so slow? Alright.
He was charging up.
3, 2, 1.
Oh!